Hello and welcome to our special Year 5 Barncroft Primary School apple pie about the Titanic. The Titanic was the second of 3 ships built to the same design and was built in 1912 when the construction of ships was difficult and dangerous. So let's look at all the mathematical facts.
It was 840 feet long, 270 feet wide, 228 feet high and weighed 70,000 tons. It was constructed from 2,000 hull plates. Each plate was 6 feet wide, 30 feet long and 1.5 inches thick. These weighed 3 tons each.
Over 3 million rivets were used to construct the ship, making it very strong. 14,000 men worked on the ship, each working about 49 hours a week.
22 tons of soap and tallow were used to help the ship down the slipway, which was 772 feet long. A journey that took 62 seconds.
The unsinkable status of the Titanic was never stated by the shipyard, but was mainly due to a relatively new idea of the hull being split into watertight compartments.
These 16 compartments meant that if water flooded into even 4 of them, the ship would still float.
At that time, ships were designed to have strong bows at the front and sterns at the back, but the side panels were not so strong.
But even the strong bow was not enough to stop the iceberg ripping through the front 5 compartments and damaging a 6th.
It was just 40 seconds between lookouts reporting the iceberg and the fateful strike.
And less than 3 hours later, Titanic was on the floor of the Atlantic Ocean.
During that 3-hour period, the passengers headed for the lifeboats, but not everyone had the opportunity to escape the sinking ship.
Not only were there not enough lifeboats to save everyone on board, but also most were not filled to capacity.
One lifeboat with a capacity of 65 only carried 24 and another carried just 12 people when it had a capacity of 40.
But it is true that more women survived than men. This was because of the women and children first policy that was first used in 1852.
Men were thought to be able to survive better in freezing choppy waters of the ocean, and therefore the women and children needed the advantage and comfort of a lifeboat.
So is it right for women and children to leave a disaster first, or in these days of equality should everyone have an equal chance? On that thought, back to the studio.